Okay, so it's coming on. The main panels. They're going to do some offcuts for the corners over there. And then do a bit on the roof, over the cab. I try and get in there, maybe try and get a piece in there. Yeah, I'm not going to do the floor yet because we're still working in here, so it'd be stupid I think to put some down on the floor. Slow progress is progress. Right, I think that'll do for today. You can see with the reflections, yeah, that one, there's a big square there, which I've left empty. So 2 guesses as to what's going in there, hopefully tomorrow. All of these have been done. All down the bottoms, both sides. Wheel arches have been done a little bit. I'm going to finish those off with the insulation roll rather than more of that. Still got the factory stuff on there, so I'm not bothered about that. That can stay there. Yeah. It's getting late, I'm hungry. So I'm going to go have my tea. Thank you for watching, if you have been. Hopefully tomorrow there'll be something going up there in the roof. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers and gone.